Hello and welcome to Galley of the Sun. This is intended to be a video about cooking all sorts of different things. But also, in putting together this channel, I have found some lessons learned already that might help out brand new YouTube content creators. This is the second in what I hope is not a 100-part long series. Lesson learned number 2 for new YouTube creator. As I was shooting my videos last week, most of the time I was doing it by myself. All of us here in the house have different schedules. Sometimes I was lucky to have someone help me move around the lighting, move around the iPad and iPhone that are recording these videos and helping me with things. But quite often it was just myself. As I talked about in the previous lesson learned, my primary audio was set to my secondary video camera, which is my iPhone. Well, that was a wired system. Every time that I needed to stop, and this is a cooking channel, so sometimes I had to stop and get things out of the fridge, get things out of the pantry, get things out of another room. I had to stop, unclip my microphone, hang it up, stop recording on both of them, or not, and then go get what I needed, come back, run it back through my shirt. I'm cooking, so make sure my hands are clean first. It just added a ton of time to the video shoots. After that week of video shoots, did 5 different videos. I'm getting ready to edit the second one right now. Lesson learned, time for an emergency trip to Best Buy, and I got myself a wireless microphone. I will let you know in the future how this works out for me. I'd love to be using it right now, but it's charging. And because today's editing day, I want to get all these videos together today. We're doing this off of the audio from the iPad. As I talked about in lesson learned number 1, I do have a wired mic, but I don't have a wired mic to USB-C adapter. So I can't use it with my primary video, which was lesson learned number 1. Hopefully that helps some of you out. Thank you for watching. If you like what you're seeing here, and check out those cooking videos too, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Maybe you have a better wireless mic that you like, or you got more lessons learned from me. I'll take all I can get. Thank you very much.